Hello there, and welcome to the Navidium Returns and Exchanges app, your all-in-one solution for managing customer returns and exchanges directly from your Shopify store. In this video, we'll walk you through how to fully customize your returns portal so you can deliver a seamless, branded experience at every step of the return process. Once you're logged into the Navidium dashboard, navigate to the Settings tab, then click on Portal Customizer. This is where you brand and control every screen your customers see when they start a return or exchange. From the top, select your Portal version 2. Let's begin with the very first page, the default page, which is the order lookup screen your customers land on. At the top of the right panel, you'll see the Histories section. This gives you a time-stamped list of every saved version of this page's design. If you ever make changes you don't like, simply hit Apply next to any previous version to instantly restore it or delete an old snapshot you no longer need. This is your safety net for all customization work. Next is the Lookup Style section. Make sure you're on the Content tab first. Here you can change the page heading. You can rename it to anything that matches your brand voice. Below that is the subheading. Toggle it on or off. When enabled, you can write a custom message that appears below the heading to guide your customers. You can also customize the button text, for example, changing Find Your Order to something like Start My Return. Finally, you can enable policy text if you want your return policy displayed directly on this lookup screen. Click over to the Style tab. This is where visual branding happens. You can control your input field colors, text, placeholders, and all button styles, including hover states and borders. You can also adjust border width and corner radius to create sharp or rounded edges. The Advanced tab gives you a custom CSS field for deeper control. If you need pixel-perfect customization beyond the standard settings, you can add your own CSS here. Scroll down to the Global Style section. Here, you can set the overlay and container colors. This is where the real transformation happens. By adjusting the transparency, you reveal the portal's modern, glossy design, creating a more polished and engaging customer experience. And you can change the global border, button reduce, and font sizes. You can also adjust the container corner radius, enable global button styling, and set the font sizes for headings and subheadings. If you want a custom background, you can upload an image or use a URL. There's also a field for handling fee text if needed. Note, if you make changes in the global settings, they will automatically apply to all pages. There's no need to update each page individually. In the branding section, you can add your store logo. Simply enable it, set the size, and upload your logo or paste a URL. You'll see a live preview on the left. Finally, the footer section. You can display a support email, customize its label, and choose whether to show the Powered By section. You can also control whether the footer appears throughout the flow or only on the final step. Now let's customize the Choose Item page. This is the screen customers see after they look up their order. It displays all items from their order and lets them select which one they want to return or exchange. Change the content section like before. If you keep global settings enabled, you'll only be able to change the title color, submit button color, and font size. And change like before. After that, update the remaining pages to match your brand colors in the same way. Once everything looks the way you want, click Save Changes. Now visit your return portal. Your customers will now see a fully branded resolution screen that clearly guides them to the best outcome, whether it's an exchange, swap, store credit, or refund. That's it. With Navidium Returns and Exchanges, your customers get a hassle-free return experience, and you keep everything running smoothly behind the scenes. Navidium Returns and Exchanges.